Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making cup dogs. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, a black crayon, construction paper, white and pink, scissors, 2 styrofoam cups, and a black palm. First, we're going to take a styrofoam cup and we're going to draw feet on it. Just make like a half circle. Like that. And then we're going to make arms, hands. Okay. And then we're going to take the other one and we're kind of smush it like this. Just press down. And then I took the pink and I made a tongue. So just measure kind of in the cup. And you want it sticking out some. Then I'm going to glue it. Make sure a good portion of it sticks out. Just press down. And then I just cut ears, and we kind of want the floppy long ears. So I kind of made a tab so that they could kind of fold over and kind of flop down like that. So I'm just going to bend that part and glue it. Down. It'll take a little while to dry, and I'm going to just bend again and glue it and put it on the other side. Let's try to make them even. Just let it sit so it can dry. And then I'm going to take the palm, make his nose, and then I'm just going to make some eyes, just kind of little beady eyes. Make it a little bigger. And then I'm just gonna glue it to the other styrofoam cup. And you're gonna have to press down on the tongue part so it stays. Just give it a few minutes. And then I took a bone and I cut out a bone. And you can make a few small bones or one big bone. It really is up to you. And then we're going to stick it on his tongue. And that is our cup dog. Hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.